Kuha tayong $25 for 14 items. And we just got an $18 order. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today is Sunday and it's December 14. We just got an order for $8 to do a 1 unit or 1 item shopping for Kohl's. So it's already 5:02 and biyahe lang tayo ng saglit hanggang mga 9 or tatapusin lang natin yung incentive today, no? So let's go. So guys, I just got another order on top of the other one item that we only need to do. So 2 orders na. So tingin ko busy pa rin at kaya natin tapusin ng maaga, makakauwi rin tayo maaga. So since it's Sunday, hindi natin kailangan magbabad kasi usually maaga natutulog yung mga tao and wala nang order na pumapasok ng mga 9:30. Okay, so we just got here in the Kohl's and update ko kayo pag natapos na natin yung grocery shopping. Okay, so just an update, we already finished doing the grocery. So 2 orders yan. Let's go and take it to the customer now. So sobrang init, no? Super sunny today. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa order na yan. And then we're just 1 kilometer away from the other one. So yung order nito, dalawa siya, no? So ang count din niya sa incentive ay 2. So let's go. Alright, so nadaan na naman tayo sa rough road pero ito na maikli. Okay. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-drop off ng order na yan and we're just waiting for another one, no? So since na wala pa mapasok, we'll just head back sa town. Okay, so nakuha tayo ng order sa McDonald's, which is sa kabilang kanto lang pero kailangan nating dalhin yung sasakyan doon. So 500 meters away. Okay, so dito tayo sa Macca's. Let's just grab the food, let's go and head to the customer. Okay, so just an update, we have the order from Macca's. So lesson learned, it was a Macca's. There's 30 minutes waiting time and di ko alam, ang dami silang stop pero talagang so we're 3 kilometers away from the customer. Alright, nandito na tayo sa drop-off. So, let's inform the customer. Alright, Alright, so we're done with the drop and we just got an $18 order from Woolies. So let's go. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Woolies. So we're just waiting for the order. So natanggap na natin yung incentive kanina and ang hourly natin is $27. So medyo mababa, no? Malaking factor talaga pag malaking waiting time dun sa restaurant. So kung alam nyo nang matagal mag-serve or matagal magbigay ng order yung restaurant na yun, iwasan nyo na as much as possible. At unless marami kayong free time at wala kayong hinahabol na quest. So today, no more Macas muna hanggang matapos natin incentive. Alright, so tapos na natin yung karga and we are 5.4 kilometers away from the customers. Alright, so we just got here to the customer na drop off na natin to. Alright guys, so na-drop na natin. That's easy $18 and something for less than 17 minutes. Wait muna tayo sa isa pang order, no? And habang nag-aantay, wait na rin tayo sa hotspot. Okay, so we just got here sa one of the cafe. Yung pick upin na natin yung order ni customer. Okay guys, so nakuha na natin 2 minutes lang. So we are 2 kilometers away from the drop off and 3 minutes away. So drop na natin siya. Okay guys, so na-drop na natin yung ating pa 5 order. So I also just got another order for calls. So I think it was 4 or 5 items. 4 items, $13. So this will be our 6th order. So tara, let's go with this. So we just got here in Coles, so let's do this. Alright guys, so tapos lang natin yung grocery order. So 1 bag lang. And sumabay na lang tayo bumili ng para sa bahay. So yan yung one good thing, no? Pag nag-grocery ka, pwede mo rin sabihin as long as hindi matatagalan masyado yung order. So we are 2 kilometers away from the drop-off. So ito natin ito. Bali ito na yung pang 6 order. So after nito, nakalahati na natin yung incentive. And time check, it's 6:46. So nasa average speed lang tayo, no? Hanggang 9 PM yung incentive. over here. Let's just do the drop off. Right, so nababa na natin. Yung drop off talaga laging gano'n lang, no? Less than 5 minutes. Pag sumobra sa 5 minutes, so, ano na yun? Sobrang tagal na yun. Alright. So, nakakuha na tayo na pang ating 7 order. Yan, mayroon pang dumagdag na isa. So, Cafe Primo. So, babalik tayo doon sa kinuha na natin kanina ng order. So, let's go. Okay, so, na-pick up na natin. Bali, 2 orders na siya. So, yung ating pang 7 and pang 8. And we are 4.4 kilometers away. So, na natin to. Okay, so natapos na natin yung 7 and 8 order. Yan. And dadaan muna tayo sa Payasaget para i-drop yung binili natin kasama yung sa grocery. Let's go. So nag-aantay na rin tayo ng pang-siyam na order. Okay, so since wala pang pumapasok, balik tayo sa hotspot area. Okay, so we just got here sa cafe. Pick up na natin ito. Okay, so na-pick up na natin. Sobrang bilis na, no? Pagdating natin doon, ready na. And we are 5.7 kilometers away. So we're going to Caravan Park. So hopefully yung last 3 orders natin dito na rin sa cafe na ito, no? Kasi talaga pagdating ko doon, lagi naka-ready na. So, yun na yung pang 9, no? Na-drop na natin. Mabilis lang, nakaabang na agad si customer. Kasi, suki na rin naman natin siya. And we got another $18 from Woolies. So, kunin natin yan. Baka kunin pa ng iba. So, hopefully, madagdagan, no? So, we'll see. Pag nadagdagan yan, ibig sabihin, busy pa rin. Go. Okay, so na-pick up na natin. We are 4.8 kilometers away from the customer, so let's go. So tingin ko kailangan na rin natin magpa-refuel because we are 468 kilometers na yung ating tinatakbo mula doon sa full tank. Pero usually nagpapa full tank ako pagka umilaw na yung refuel. So, natapos na natin yung ating 10th order. And time check, it's 7:43 pa lang. So, 2 more to go. Quick update, it's already 8:02. So nakakuha na tayo pang 11 order, which is from Macas, unfortunately. But we'll see if tapos natin to agad, no? So hoping na mabilis lang. So let's go. Okay, now we're here. So the pickup. Okay guys, so we just got the McDonald's order and we are 1.3 kilometers away, so ihatid na natin. Alright, so yun yung pang 11 natin na order. So isa na lang, malapit na tayo matapos quest. Ayun, may nakuha tayong $25 for 14 items. Let's go. Okay, now we're here. Just do the grocery. Update ko na lang kayo guys. Alright guys, so we're done with the grocery. And time check, it's only 9:27. We're just 2.4 kilometers away from the customer. So let's go. Okay, we just got here sa customer. Drop the nut. So, alright, so tapos na yung 12 orders. And time check, it's 8:30. So, 30 minutes bago tayo umuwi. Kasi may maaga pa ang pasok bukas ng so current earnings natin as of now is 169. Yan. So try natin malagdagan, no? So let's go. Update ko na lang kayo kung malalagdagan pa ba o hindi na, o uwi na tayo. So see ya guys. So hello guys, quick update. Kumuha tayo ng isang order na lang, tapos uwi na tayo. Kasi tingin ko hindi na busy, no? So, pick up tayo sa Macas and then drop up tayo 4.5 kilometers from here. So, malapit lang sa bahay. And after nito, diretso uwi na tayo. So, let's go. natin ito. Alright, so tapos na natin i-drop. Let's go online, offline natin yung app and let's go home. So less than a kilometers away.